What a beautiful day it is. Just back from fishing now, and the sun's shining, it's warm, and I think it's going to be a brilliant time for a barbecue. So what I think we need to do is to gather some firewood, then head down to the beach later when the tide's going out a bit more, and we'll have a beach barbecue. Sounds awesome, doesn't it? You wouldn't believe it's September. White fluffy clouds in the sky, no wind, no breeze. It's warm, it's cosy, it's gorgeous. So, let's go and get some firewood. Come on. We're off for a barbecue on the beach. Come on, come with us. We have loads of firewood. Yay!
We were expecting a high tide, and this is a high tide, but we still have quite a bit of beach to get things set up.
Play on and start having a barbecue.
Yes, and then we're going to have, 12 hours of tide going out and back in. So we can stay here until 3 o'clock in the morning if we so wanted. Yay! So James loses a ball, and who wades in September into the North Sea? A pregnant lady, of course.
Well, that was a fun picnic and barbecue. All we need to do now, put the fire out and head for home. It's been great fun. Yeah, we've had great fun.
We did, and we'll see you next time.